on to a mouse.
Ellie, get out of the way. For some context, where are we? We're in Flaming Gorge, Utah, and we're in Jasmine's, what is this called? Camper.
What is freezing?
Have you ever fallen off this bed, Jasmine?
And I'm a psychotic sleeper.
Look at this fun stash I got here.
For the paper?
Drugs.
It's so freaking hot. I open this. No, we're not opening that one. Just give me a second. Jesus. Those are like little animals that just don't stop. That's what we are. Oh, I'm done.
Quitting life.
I wish I could sleep up there because I don't want to fall out.
We don't
Oh, go on that side.
Okay.
So at least I'll hit a wall. Roll.
Ew, I burped and tastes like Arby's.
We have the meats.
Arby's, we have the meat.
Oh my god. I cannot.
Oh! We have the meats. Oh no, Jackson and Peyton will be watching that. You cannot put the part with my arm in.
Why?
Because Peyton and Jackson bully me for it.
Get up there. Get that up there.
I'm like explosive diarrhea. I did it!
Just jump.
I do like a rubber.
I'm falling again, I'm falling.
Pass me the Mechanics. Trinity in the car on the way here, she was like, it's at 1.8
No,
libs.
Ready? I need to set it up there.
Here's a life jacket haul.
I think it's from Target.
I need to unpack it.
Ready?
Bath stuff on the.
I'm stuck.
That's. I got my lips.
Guys, my ears just popped. I don't really have enough room up here to put my pants. I need to like. Hi, Sean.
Where'd you go put your pants?
Trinity's gonna braid all of our hairs
Oh my gosh,
tonight.
I didn't bring pajamas. I knew you guys would want your hair braided, so I even brought a ton of little baby hair ties. You guys are literally such bad packers.
Nobody already went inside out there.
Okay.
She's such a creepo. Who closes a door like that?
Her.
What is going on?
And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed. In the morning and I step outside. And I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey,
It feels like a wounded star. Yeah.
So what is going on with you?
I'm not sure.
I broke the door. It's good.
It's fine.
I heard a creaking noise.
Idiot.
Stars. Baby. Stop being a little hoe.
Stop spazzing out up here.
Okay guys, this is the fit check, okay? So, towel from Costco. This, Sportsman, this is Crocs from Amazon. Right there? Don't know where those are from.
Elite Academy, idiot. I literally have those.
I am dumb. I don't have good grades. Okay, bye.